You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this scarp in South Africa. If you want to learn more names from ZA, stay tuned. We've got many more coming up at the end of the video. The English pronunciation, and then we'll get to the Afrikaans. Witwatersrand. Witwatersrand. Afrikaans pronunciation, how to pronounce. Witwatersrand. Witwatersrand. Witwatersrand or Witwatersrand. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.